It has been trying times for the country ever since the first case of Covid-19 disease was confirmed, with the government making radical proposals in an effort to tame its spread. A section of political leaders now calling on Kenyans to play an active role in efforts aimed at containing the spread of coronavirus. This is after it emerged that a section of Kenyans are still defying the guidelines issued by the government, despite the rising number of confirmed cases in the country. ODM party leader Raila Odinga calling on Kenyans to observe basic preventive measures against COVID-19.
Wash your hands with water and soap or use sanitizers. Number 2, stay away from funerals except those of your immediate members of the family. Keep social distance. Number 6, obey the directives issued by the government from time to time.
And with concerns being raised over the radical measures, ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi opines that a lockdown could just be what the country needs to help Kenyans understand the magnitude of the impact of the global pandemic.
It is very disappointing to see our people treat very frivolously the instructions from the government. Perhaps the best way ahead now is for President Uhuru Kenyatta to order a periodized shutdown.
He, however, underscored the need to cushion Kenyans against the burden of cost that may come courtesy of these new guidelines. Mudavadi also said there is need to implement strategies aimed at addressing the economic downturn caused by coronavirus crisis.
We need forward-looking strategies towards a restored, stable, and robust national economy. Indications are that the national treasury is on a weak footing, even as the various voices that are asking for state intervention grow by the day.
And with these economic challenges likely to trickle into the country's ability to service international loans, Mudavadi called on China, which is Kenya's largest creditor, to relook at some of the loan terms.
China has a moral obligation to accede to a fresh look at Kenya's debt portfolio. An engagement with Kenya's treasury is of the greatest essence.
For Channel One News, I'm Serfine Achieng Ouma.